Welcome to Big Screen. We really hope you and your team enjoy using it. If you have any questions, please send an email to support@bigscreen.show, as we are more than happy to help. Big Screen is split into two areas, an admin section and a control surface. The admin is for administering an organization, whereas a control surface is the interface to present your media. It is designed this way so that the control surface is as simple as possible to use. This video is a quick run through of the control surface interface. Your organization admin would have created a control surface login account. Log in with that at your organization URL. On the left is the area for playlists, and under that is the items within the selected playlist. You can create as many playlists as you want by simply clicking the plus button. Adding items works the same. The different types of items you can add are songs, videos, images, timers, Bible scriptures, and sequences. Underneath the playlist items is the transition duration slider. You can choose between 0 to 2 seconds and can update this at any time during your presentation. To set up your outputs, click Live and create an output. You can create as many front-end or monitors that you want, but it will depend on how many screens are attached to your computer. Normally you would drag the pop-up window to its screen and click full screen to make the window fill the entire display. Once your outputs are created, you can show items from your playlist. In the top toolbar, you have quick shortcuts to blackout, logo, webcam, background, and notifications. Some items have additional controls when they are selected. For songs and sequences, you can zoom in and out via the slider on the right. Thanks so much for watching this video. We hope you love using Big Screen. If you have any questions, please let us know.